Cucurella, the match winner, the goal scorer, the best striker in the world. In fact, I keep on saying this. Manchester United or Arsenal, those teams looking for a striker, bring 80 million and take Cucurella. Cucurella is just in front of you. You are going to Germany to where to sign a striker, in which you have a striker in your league, in front of you, on your doorstep. Abba, Arsenal, Abba, Manchester United. Bring 80 million and sign Cucurella. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Football Lions. This is our boy Richman. In fact, guys, let's talk about this game. Chelsea won, Leicester City 0. In fact, intensive game. First of all, 3 points in the back. And we have to be grateful. It could be the other way around. Particularly at this point of the season, as a team, what you just needed is 3 points. 3 points. No matter how good you play, no matter beautiful football you play, make sure that at the end of the day, you grab your 3 points. Your 3 points and move forward. If not because of these 3 points, we won't be top 4 or we won't be 4th position on the league table. So guys, I know the game was not attractive. It wasn't fantastic, but let's be grateful. We saw City yesterday, today Arsenal. So we have to be grateful. 3 points now in the back, top 4, 2 points ahead Manchester, or 3 points ahead of Manchester City. So it wasn't a bad game. And before we come and talk more about this game, guys, let's talk about these individual players. And before we do that, please hit the like button for this video to reach wider audience on the YouTube algorithm, and hit the subscription button. When I see the numbers, it gives me the belief, the motivation to give you more videos. So please hit the subscription button and hit the like button. And Maresca said something to Chelsea fans, that football is not PlayStation. We'll come and talk about it. Yes, I have to get different video for it, for us to dive more, for us to understand Maresca. Yes, his mentality, his mindset is corrupted. So guys, please turn on the notification bell. That video is coming after this video. Yes. And let's start with who? Cole Palmer. Cole Palmer. In fact, guys, what is happening to Cole Palmer? What is happening to our talented Cole Palmer? What is happening to the best player in the Premier League and one of the best players in the world and in European football, guys? In fact, Cole Palmer is now frustrated, guys. Cole Palmer is bleeding internally and externally. And after the game, Maresca said Cole Palmer was having diarrhea and fever. He didn't train the last 48 hours. But when the game was about to start, Cole Palmer came and informed him that he will play. He wants to get Chelsea top 4, Chelsea to play Champions League next season. And that is good from a player part, yes. He wants to deliver. He wants to defend his club. Yes, passion. That is good. But for me, I think Maresca could have done better. As a manager, tell him, guy, you are sick. You are not well. Yes, appreciate his passion. Yes, his zeal to work for Chelsea to play. Appreciate that. But tell him that the body, when you don't have the body available, you can play. Football is energy game. Football is strength game. You need to have everything ready. Your mindset, your body, your health, your everything must be on point before you can play. So for me, I think Maresca could have done better and stop him from playing this game. Yes. Apart from that, not bad from Cole Palmer. 20 penalty play, if I'm not mistaken, miss only one. That is good result. Yes, good numbers. Looking at his age, yes, 22 to 23 years of age. He already played 20 penalties and only missed one. Look at all, or go and check all the legendary players that we know when they were at the same age as Cole Palmer. Go and check their numbers. So Cole Palmer is doing well. Not bad, not bad. Yes, I wish he converted him. I wish he scored. Even this game, he was so slow. Like, you could see that Cole Palmer was not well. So that is why I said Maresca should or supposed to excuse him not to play this game. Yes. By the way, that is it. That is it. So guys, Cole Palmer needs our support. I'm telling you, he needs our support. Cole Palmer is suffering. And Cole Palmer, I can say it is external factors, but it is affecting him in the pitch. You know, the players, they are human beings. When they have those external factors, frustration, mental disabled, like those thinking of things, Yes, being emotional sometimes, it goes ahead to affect them on the pitch. So not bad from Cole Palmer, not bad, not bad. Yes, he played well. But maybe the next game, Copenhagen game, maybe Maresca should rest him. Yes, because that game, Stanford Bridge will win. Yes. So guys, that is for Cole Palmer. And let's come to Cucurella, the match winner, the goal scorer, the best striker in the world. In fact, I keep on saying this. Manchester United or Arsenal, those teams looking for a striker, bring 80 million and take Cucurella. Cucurella is just in front of you. You are going to Germany to where to sign a striker, in which you have a striker in your league, in front of you, on your doorstep. Abba, Arsenal, Abba, Manchester United. Bring 80 million and sign Cucurella. So far, 5 goals scored. Yes, so far, not bad as a defender. He scored goals more than Hodgson and also scored more than Ziggy and scored more than Rashford in Manchester United. Yes, so not bad as a defender. And Cucurella now have the same goal, yes, with the same number of goals with Madueke, if I'm not mistaken, and Enzo Fernandez this season. So not bad as a defender, yes. So guys, Cucurella, fantastic. He defended very well and he scored at the same time. See, since the ending part of last season up to now, like I didn't see Cucurella giving a bad performance for Chelsea or even international level. Cucurella is always at his best. Cucurella always makes sure that he gives his all. And in the future, guys, I want to see Cucurella being Chelsea captain. Yes. And even this season, Chelsea player of the season, it will be difficult for me to choose amount or between Cucurella and Caicedo. Difficult. By the way, guys, let me hear from you under the comment section. Your player of the season for Chelsea, Cucurella or Caicedo? Yes. And the next player, Neto. In fact, guys, Neto is a machine. Neto is robot. Neto is lion. Neto is tiger. Neto is immortal. Neto is not a human. Neto is a god. Neto is iron fister. I'm telling you, see, look at Neto pressing in this game. Neto was everywhere. Like, it didn't look like Neto was our number 9, being our striker in this game. He was at the midfield, he was at the defense, he was at the attacking zone, the attacking area. He was running, pressing all over the pitch. Like, apart from maybe Jackson and McGill, I can't compare Neto work rate in this Chelsea team to any player apart from maybe Nicola Jackson and McGill. Those players, they also have that pressing ability. They can run, and maybe Caicedo in the midfield. But this game, guys, if not because of Cucurella's marvelous performance, his fantastic goal, his savior goal, Neto will have been my man of the match for this game. I'm telling Neto, he did everything. He do all Neto do. And in fact, if Neto continue playing as this, I'm giving my sister to Neto. I'm telling you guys, my sister for Neto or Cucurella or Caicedo for this season. Yes. So guys, well done from Neto. Unfortunately, he didn't score, but let's hope, yes, games to come that he scored, because our attackers, they must improve. We'll come to that. So please continue watching this video till the end. And the next player is Caicedo. Caicedo, best midfielder in the world. Caicedo, best midfielder in the world. See, don't mention any midfielder name in the Premier League this season. One come to best midfielder in the. Don't mention Sobolozai or Graham Van Bench or Declan Rice or. See, why are you doing that? Why are you underrating Caicedo by comparing him to these midfielders? Imagine Caicedo was in this Liverpool team. Imagine Caicedo was in this informed Liverpool team this season. Look at this, our Chelsea. But Caicedo is still playing very well, performing, giving his best football. So imagine Caicedo in place of McAllister, Graham Van Bench, Sobolozai. Some people are comparing him with. No. Caicedo is uncomparable in the Premier League, in the midfield this season. He is everywhere. Caicedo is winning every tackles you can talk about in world football. That is why I want Chelsea to play Champions League football next season, so that Caicedo will show to the world, to European football, what he is capable of, what he can do as a midfielder. I'm telling you, he was everywhere. And this game also, Enzo Fernandez as partnership. And when you look at this game, Enzo moved forward, leaving Caicedo alone in the midfield. So Caicedo suffered. Yes, he suffered in this game. Yes, he was doing everything alone. And Enzo moved forward. And moving forward as a midfielder, for me, I don't have problem with it. But make sure that you go there and score or give assist when you move forward. But in that case, we didn't see that from Enzo in this game. Enzo has so many chances in this game to score, but I don't know why. Sometimes you'll be holding the ball for too long. To some extent, all Leicester City defenders will now block all the spaces, cover all the space. So let's hope in the long run, in the future, our midfielders start scoring. Yes. And also Enzo learning sometimes coming back to support Caicedo in the midfield. So guys, Enzo Fernandez and Caicedo, they play very well. And another player in this game was Jordan Sancho. Jordan Sancho. In fact, Sancho played very well, particularly or especially in the first half. He won us the penalty that Kulpama could not score. Sorry for that. Yes, Sancho played well. And Sancho, like now, what Chelsea fans we just need from Sancho is goal scoring, shooting. Sometimes Sancho will do everything that a player can do with the ball, dance with the ball like dance God. I don't know, maybe Sancho's girlfriend told him not to score. Maybe Sancho's girlfriend just like him dancing with the ball. Yes, massaging with the ball. Because Sancho will just find himself in the right position to shoot. He want to assist or he want to give pass. I don't know. Yes. So guys, Sancho also played very well in this game. So let's hope he come back to start scoring. I think this season he scored 2 goals for Chelsea. Yes, and assist. And our defenders, in fact, Liverpool will surprise me in this game, guys. Cole will surprise me. See, Cole was everywhere in the midfield. He was doing all sort of blockades, all sort of tackles, all sort of defending dangerous attack from Leicester City. He defended one attack. If not because of that, Chelsea would have considered that goal. I'm telling you. So this game, I wasn't giving Liverpool the chance, but he surprised me. And this reminds me of something here. In fact, guys, no one has agenda against any Chelsea player. Me, I, Mohamed Suleiman and Richmond bin Daudi. For me, I am supporting Chelsea Football Club. I'm not supporting any player. All those players that we are seeing, Chelsea hired them. Chelsea is paying them. They are working for Chelsea. And sooner, they will leave. Players come and leave. Football fans, we don't leave. See, I know this season we are not on form. Some fans are complaining. Even some fans, they don't watch Chelsea games. It's normal. I know. I'm also a fan. I know the pains, yes, on that. But still, in your heart, you love Chelsea. In your heart, you are still supporting Chelsea. You want the progression of Chelsea. But just that moment, you are not feeling Chelsea is not on form. You are not liking them or they are not being attractive to you. But still, you are still supporting them. See, as a football fan, you can change anything. Particularly with the men. As a man, you can change car, you can change bike, you can even change house, buy a new house, change a lot of things. You can change girlfriend, maybe change wife, divorce your wife and change, go and change another wife or marry another wife. But you can't change a football team. No. See, any football fan who said he's no more a Chelsea fan, in his heart, he is a Chelsea fan. I'm telling you. You can't change a football team. We love Chelsea. The same as our Blasters. We the Ghanaians, yes, they are doing dirty job there. They are not doing anything reasonable there, yes. But still, when they go and lose game, it still pains you as a Ghanaian. Especially, they are paying them using our tax. I'm telling you, our tax. See, the small money YouTube give me. Come and see. I think last month, they deducted some dollar from my ass. And they didn't even tell me the reason why they deducted that dollar. So they are using our tax funding these people. So sometimes, like when they go and do some misuse, some useless thing, it pays you, shock you to the bones, in which they could have used that tax and develop the country, other sectors, other areas. They will go and pay these players and the ball with that exorbitant. At the end of the day, they will not even qualify group stage. So guys, nobody has agenda against any player. Yes. So far, Liverpool play very well. Tosin also play. In fact, Tosin is underrated. As a Chelsea fan, if you are not observing Tosin very well, you may think he is not playing very well for Chelsea or giving his best for Chelsea because he is that calm defender. He is playing his football based on awareness. He is reading the game, marking the opponent attackers. Yes. So sometimes because he's not aggressive, you think that he's not doing anything. Tosin is playing very well for Chelsea. And this game for Fana also started. Returned from injury, he played very well as a right back. Yes, at opposition. Still, he delivered. He delivered. What I even like about Fofana in this game, the way he was progressing the ball into the midfield. It was. So, guys, our defenders, all of them play very well in this game. And Sanchez, in fact, like it looks like Sanchez don't want to improve or learn. I don't understand. This game, yes, he had a clean sheet. That is good. But actually, we saw some signs. His save, his dive. We saw some certain things from Sanchez. Sanchez haven't recovered. No, I don't know. See, Maresca is dating Sanchez's sister. I keep on saying it here. Maresca is dating Sanchez's sister. Maresca just bring him back to our... Sanchez will now be our Premier League game, our goalkeeper till this season. I'm telling you, yes, Sanchez and Maresca, they are like this. So let's just hope he improve because we don't have anything to do. Yes, and start giving us his best performance. Apart from that, for me, I haven't seen Sanchez improve. I can still see some signs and symptoms of Sanchez's ability. Yes. And let's come and talk about this game, guys. In fact, we must improve in our game control. Any day that Chelsea score, we tend to rubbish team. Any day that you see Chelsea play and score the first goal, we can't do anything again. No accurate passes. Yes. No tackling. No creativity. Nothing to show again. If Chelsea just grab a goal, that is all. As if the game ends. As if the 90 minutes is up. We tend to rubbish team. We can't do anything reasonable again on the pitch. So our players and Maresca, they must improve in our game control. Because before your opponent can beat you in football game, he must have the ball. So when we leave the ball to the opponent, you stand the higher risk of conceding. I'm telling you, so no matter how the situation as a team, if you want to win football games, make sure that after winning, you have the ball. Yes, control the ball. Even if you are not going to have the possession so that the time will be going small. Football play 90 minutes, not 24 hours or 2 days or 3 days. Within the 90 minutes, even if you are winning 1-0 and the 90 minutes is up, you are sending your 3 points away with your 1-0. Whether you score 5-0, 10-0 in football, 3 points be 3 points. Must win or winning be winning. Yes. So guys, our game control must improve. Chelsea must improve their game control and also our attackers. Recently, our attackers, they are not scoring anymore. No, that is very, very bad. See, after Cole Palmer went off, we haven't seen any attacker rise to the occasion. Start scoring goals here and there, left, right, and center. So our attackers, they must improve. This game, we saw it. It took a defender to save Chelsea, to give us the win. So our attackers, they must improve. We are not one-man team. We are not Cole Palmer FC. We are Chelsea FC. Football is played by 11 men, not one man, Cole Palmer. No. So guys, our players, they must improve. Our attackers, they must improve. And maybe our midfield, Enzo Fernandez and co, they also they must start scoring. Yes, giving assists, maybe shooting from distance. And as I said, the wingers, the flanks, Sancho and co, yes. Neto and co, those over there, they must start shooting and scoring goals. So guys, that is what we can discuss today. And Maresca said something to Chelsea fan that football is not a PlayStation. That video is coming. We'll talk about it, discuss a lot about it. So please leave a comment about this game. And please let me hear from you under the comment section on all what we discuss or talk about in this video. And please don't forget to hit the like button and hit the subscription button. When I see the numbers, it gives me the motivation to give you more videos. Take care, peace.